Imagine your customers immediately discovering matching add-on products with the main item. With cross-selling, you promote targeted additional purchases and enhance the shopping experience. Matching additional products are displayed directly with the main product. The placement on the product page can be flexibly adapted to the shop's layout. Additionally, individual discounts can be set, which are automatically applied when purchasing the main and additional products together. We are now on the homepage of the Shopware administration. First, we will create a new cross-selling. To do this, we navigate to Settings, Extensions, and select Supply Upselling. We then open the Global Cross-Selling section and click on Add Global Cross-Selling. First, we enter an internal name and the name that will be displayed in the storefront. We then activate the cross-selling and select a display format. Several options are available. For this example, we choose the tile view. Next, we set the position to below the product variants. Several additional settings are now available. Here, we can choose whether to display only the product name or the product name together with its variant. We can also decide whether a placeholder product should be pre-selected. In addition, we can define how the quantity of the cross-selling product behaves in the shopping cart, either increasing automatically with the quantity of the main product or remaining unchanged. We can also define the position if multiple cross-sellings are assigned to the same product. Next, we select the product group whose products should display the cross-selling. For this demo, we have created two product groups in advance: Main Products Accessories and Cross-Selling Accessories. We select the Main Product Accessories group, which contains all products that should display the cross-selling. Next, we select the Cross-Selling Accessories product group. This group contains all additional products that will be displayed as cross-selling recommendations for the main products. Finally, we can define the sorting order of the cross-selling products and set the maximum number of products displayed in the storefront. Optionally, we can configure a discount for the cross-selling products. To do this, we open the additional settings, select the discount type, and define the percentage discount. In our example, we set the cross-selling discount to 10%. We can then choose whether an icon should be displayed before the discount text. Optionally, we can enter a custom discount message for the storefront and define a discount title that will appear during the order and checkout process. Finally, we save the cross-selling and complete the configuration. Now, we switch to the plugin configuration to define additional display and behavior options for the cross-selling products. To do this, we return to the main menu and open More Settings. Here, we can configure general options such as how product availability is displayed and whether cross-selling products open directly or in a modal window. For the list view, we can define whether product variants and product images are displayed, as well as how many products are shown immediately. We can also set fallback values for the display format and position. We can also configure the quick view by choosing whether the cross-selling modal uses the standard layout or a custom shopping experiences layout. Finally, we move on to the advanced cross-selling display settings. Here, we can define how the cross-selling tabs are presented when multiple cross-sellings are assigned to the same product. If the accordion view is selected, we can define whether the sections are expanded by default and choose the desired layout. We can also specify the viewports on which the tabs should appear collapsed. In addition, we can configure whether the discount text and bundle price are displayed, with the bundle price being available only in the list view. Finally, we can decide whether links to the cross-selling section are shown in the off-canvas shopping cart and the shopping cart overview. Now let's take a look at how everything works in the storefront. We are on the product detail page of an item assigned to the Main Product Accessories product group. As we scroll down, we can see our cross-selling section displayed below the product variants. The products shown here come from the Cross-Selling Accessories product group. When we click the info icon, a modal window opens, allowing customers to view the selected product in more detail. We can also see the configured 10% discount together with the custom discount text. When we select a cross-selling product and add it to the shopping cart, both the main product and the selected additional product are added automatically. The discount is also applied automatically and displayed with our defined title, Accessories Cross-Selling. Use cross-selling to create attractive purchase incentives and increase the value of each shopping cart. Start now and maximize your success.